Hey everybody, welcome to my live tonight and welcome to my playback if you're watching this after I was already live. So I am really meant to be live tonight, 100%. I know what I'm doing, not in the wrong place, not completely embarrassed, but here in the right place. Hey everybody, hi Angela, hi Melissa, hi Jean, hi Lisa, hi Mabel, goodness gracious. So totally different than yesterday. If you caught my completely unaware live last night, not meant to be here, I have to say. I was supposed to be live in a private group and it kept messing up. And all of a sudden I'm live and I'm talking to the person who I'm in a group with and realized that there are 15 other people watching me. And I wasn't supposed to be live on my page. So of course, completely embarrassed. I was dying laughing. But this is the right place. I'm in the right spot. We're gonna do a quick one. Something for all the moms and dads out there. I love when I go to people's homes and they're absolutely gorgeous. Everything is in the right spot. I mean, the decor is where it's supposed to be. There are no fingerprints anywhere. And if you come to my house, it is not that way. So we're gonna do a fun little project. It's a cute, small, like 9 by 12 size, and it's gonna fit in all of the family homes right now. So let's go ahead and, hi Teresa, check it out. That's not what I want. Hold on. Gotta click my right buttons. There we go. Now I'm in the corner, and this is our transfer for tonight. Please excuse the mess. Our children are making memories. Maybe if I post this near my front door, everyone who enters, I'll be like, read the sign. I'm pointing in the wrong direction. Read the sign, and then it will, you know, all work. So what I have, I'm gonna make a fun one with a fun design. This is just the words. I'm gonna use these chalk color. Oh, you can't see. So these are my chalk colors. We've got a white, a gray, and like a minty, sagey color. And we're gonna use, oh, not this one. This is for another time. We're going to use our black framed boutique board, which I am opening for the first time for you. I have not worked with the black frame yet. Hi Rita, hi Dale. Ooh, awesome Teresa. Hi Jessica. Doing live videos, it is a learning experience. So like honestly, I've been doing live videos for over a year and I feel very confident, like they don't make me nervous anymore. Except when I do stuff like that. And I don't know, I was laughing hysterically. And the problem is that when I get like that, I seriously can't focus. Like I could not turn it off. I could not hit that darn button. And then when I did, it kept going. And it was, oh, I said this to like 3 people today already. It's so fun to be me. It's not. It was so embarrassing. I was dying. Hey Brenda, hi Kim, hi Jana. So, hi Deb. So we're gonna use this board. So you've got the black frame and there is some distressing on it, which makes it really cute for today's decor. And it's just one of our boutique boards. So that's really nice. I feel like I need, oh, I went live and I forgot stuff. Welcome to my world. I completely forgot my water. It's all right. I'm gonna clean my I'll do a different way. So I just wanted to wipe that off. Make sure it looks good. Here's the transfer. I already wrote back on the back, so that's easy. Oh, Gail, thanks. I love your human side. I have to be me, and that's, you know, that's the whole thing. I try really hard to be superhuman, but I know the truth. I know that I cannot be perfect, and nobody expects me to be perfect. However, I really wish, I really wish just like every once in a while, things would all go right for me. And until then, I will continue to be me. And my bloopers are your entertainment for until then. Let's just put it that way. And it's all right, as long as I can laugh at myself, right? Okay, I am truthful and human. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna do a little ombre with this, and I'm gonna do white, gray, and mint. I'm gonna clean that up, move that, so that I can get everything, or I at least remember to bring my squeegees over this time. I need some of the, I love these little stay put mats that I've made. You can make them longer. These are just some that I've already had. They're just pieces of like non-slip shelf liner. And then when you're working, especially if you only have yourself and you have only two hands, and you need to like dip in there, it's not gonna slide all over the place. It'll stay put on those little mats. So, little tip for ya. Hi, Roberta. Oh gosh. Gail, I'm glad that you find me encouraging, or my humanness to be encouraging for lives. I don't think there's any learning. I honestly, well, I don't mean it that way. I mean, lives are something you have to like just go and try and do. And if I went back to my very first live that I ever did, I bet I would completely laugh at it, you know, today. However, that's what it is. It's a growing process. You learn, you live and learn. So we're gonna do, I want to do kind of a diagonal, and I want to set my parameters with my chalk. I'm just using our multi-tool to both stir this up and also put on some chalk so that I'm ready to go. Of course, I'm doing a diagonal because I've never done it before, and so I wanted to try. I've done the traditional ombre up and down, but I want to do, you know, this way. I just wanted to do something different. Because I'm working with a larger space, I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I've got multiple of them. I may need some of this, and let's get going. So I'm going to start with the white and pull it down as, you know, far as I can. Then I'm going to take my white and put it back into my container. Now I'm just kind of getting the excess off and smoothing it out. And then move to my next one, which is gray. And I'm coming right up to that white, you can see. And what I will actually do is I'll go back in with my finger. Yes, my finger. And I will, ooh, there's more gray. There's actually a lot of gray on there that I can get off. Okay. go back in with my sagey green and I'm gonna plop that back into the little tub of chalk paste. Doing a pretty good job of leaving, ooh, that's gonna be a teaching moment right there. Leaving that line. So now I'm gonna get my finger clearly. All right, just sprayed a little water on my table. I'm gonna get my finger a little wet and I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna kind of blend this line of where the two meet. It helps to have a wet finger. Now I'm gonna wipe it off. Do it again, this time with the gray and the green. So I'm just blending those colors as much as I can. Okay, and now I'm gonna peel. Always grab two corners because you don't wanna grab just one corner. When you grab one corner, yay, that turned out really sweet. I like how it worked. So, completely, I told you I forgot my water, so I have nowhere to put my transfer, but you see these little spots here? So easy to clean that up. I'm going to lay this down so I can clean it up. I'm gonna clean all of this up in a minute. I'm just spraying it with water now. Oops, gotta move my stuff. This is how you improvise, people. Improvise. So I'm gonna take my little Q-tips to clean that up. Remember I sprayed water over here. I still have a little bit, so I dipped it in the water. Now I'm just washing this off. If in like 6 or 7 months my children decide to be wonderful, clean, OCD, putting away their toys, and I want to change this out, right? Because that could happen. I can spray this with water, wash it off, and put something else on here. But it is going to dry hard to the touch, and so it's going to be great. This particular board has little hangers on either side so you can flip it around. Isn't that quick and easy? This is something, hi Leslie, hi Anna, hi Sarah, hi Beth, hi Wendy. This is something that you can do like at a party. You could host a create and take with me, and everybody can pick a surface, then everybody can pick a transfer and some chalk paste colors, and it's really really fun and unique. Like, you're gonna have some really unique things. You could do the same saying that your friends do, but use the colors that coordinate with your home, and it will be amazing. That's why I love Couture, because of that, because you can customize it so perfectly for your own home. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you have never tried this, you need to make sure you're in my VIP group and make sure that you are checking out all the great deals that I have in there, because this is a like, you need a few things to get started. Like, you're gonna need a chalk paste, a transfer, a squeegee. And surfaces, absolutely. We've got all kinds of surfaces, but because you need a few things, I like to bundle products. So there are lots of what I call creator bundles in my group, but you can only see them if you're in my group. And my group is only for customers, not for designers. So if you are a designer, please, and thank you, don't request to be in my group. All you have to do is comment, add me at the bottom, right down below, and I can pop you into my group. if we're friends on Facebook. If we aren't friends on Facebook, I'll have to send you a message with a link and you can add yourself. You can request to join. So that's cool. Hi, Londa. Oh, so when the light is hitting this just right, I'm noticing that you can't exactly see the gray. I'll hold it up again, and of course when I'm done, I'll take a really great picture of it. There we go. Now I'm just gonna let this set to dry. It's all cleaned. I'll let it set to dry. So let me show you. It's got the white, the gray, and that mint. Let's do solo and see. Is that a little bit better? You can see everything. Love it. All right, quick and easy, so nice. It's already drying, doesn't take very long. Thank you all for watching my planned live. And if you were watching last night, just ignore that. That'll be our little secret. We'll just pretend it never ever happened. Thanks, Londa. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm off to do more work. So much to do, and I'll see you a little bit later.